There's been a lot of talk recently about CBD in skincare. CBD is derived from cannabis. It interacts with your body to keep it in balance. In skincare, this means your skin will function in a rejuvenated, healthier, and more efficient way. The result is fresher and younger looking skin. All MGC Derma formulas contain CBD using Aquiol. Do you love the idea of having a facial on a regular basis, but simply don't have the time to get one? Our sleeping facial works at night when your skin naturally repairs and regenerates itself. Apple stem cells reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Red algae plumps and repairs environmental damage, while CBD isolate delivered in Aquiol will boost those results. Now you can wake up with rested, radiant, and restored skin. There's so much to talk about with CBD and skincare, but you can learn more at mgcderma.com.